6:29. 6:30 magre-release na. Oh, in count of 3, 6:30 na. Already, 1, 2, 3, Cauayan Isabela. Oh, ayan po ang mga ibon na naka-invitational. Mga live sa fundraise natin, na young bird, all bird. Oh, ayan po mga ibon natin. Ang natitirang matibay. Oh. Ayan ang mga ibon natin. Good luck sa mga ibon natin, ha. Ayan yung mga ibon natin, mga boss. Oh. Asa na? Ba, mukhang sanay na. Tumumbok na yung mga ibon natin kaagad, ha. Ayun, oh. Ayun na kaagad, oh. Oh. Yung unang grupo, ayun na. Oh. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Ayan na, kabang-abang na laban.
And what's up sa zztvids? So na-release na sila sa Cauayan Isabela and magandang panahon, nakisamang panahon. So good luck sa lahat. Ito yung panahon natin. So expected ang datingan is 9:45 AM. So maaga pa. Balikan ko kayo after 3 hours, guys. Update ko kayo. Bye.
3 hours later.
So guys, magandang pansalubong natin sa papa ni Flyer. Napisa na ang kanyang mga itlog. Tingnan natin yung baby. Ayun, I see it. Isa na. Meron tayong dalawang bagong young bird. Isa na. Ang galing. Timing. So gandang pang regalo yan sa kanya para pag uwi niya. Good luck, good luck.
Later.
What's up guys, may nagpaklak na. So abang-abang na tayo. May isa nang nagpaklak. Oras natin ay 10:38. Medyo patulak yung hangin papunta sa atin, pero medyo maulap. So may mga pasaway na nasa labas, mga hindi pumasok kanina. Nagparonda ako ng umaga, so papapasukin ko muna itong mga to at magpahirap pa mamaya sa akin. Balikan ko kayo guys. So guys, may mga nagdadaanan na. And who's this? Ay, yung pasaway na nasa labas. Meron na mga dumaan, bibilis. So antay-antay na lang tayo konti guys. Abang lang tayo guys. At padating na yon. Dami doon, no? Kita nyo ba? Mga pa lima-lima. Yung sa atin is parating na yon. Hintay lang tayo guys. May lobo. May lobo guys. See, may lobo. So guys, as of now, 6 na yung nagpaklak. Oras natin is 10:55. So pang pa tayo konti. hours cut off natin. So 11:11 guys, magiging cut off natin para sa invitational. So meron pa tayong 12 minutes or hindi, 15 minutes. And daming pameke. Daming pameke. Pero may mga dumaan na kanina eh. Bitak-bitak, walay. So abang pa tayo konti guys.
What? That teleport! Should we magic this? Ah!
Hey guys,
Yeah,
Jenny's
you
here with us. Come on.
no, you will say, guys, so I'm just up here, and then you say, guys,
Oh
Zayn
guys,
is here.
I will teleport Zane here. See him? So guys, mangyayabang din si Zane. Pero, pampakontra na yung hangin.
Fire!
Oh, when the papakama. After on one take ha.
Guys, I'll teleport you there.
Why are you bringing it? Yan lang.
Guys, I teleport you.
Jane, did you know? The eggs are hatched. Look. On the nest.
Wow.
So, ang lakas ng hangin guys. At medyo pa-kontra. Let's check the babies. Get the mama in. So guys,
Papa, where's the shell?
wala na, tinapon ko na. That's our 2 new babies. So they will welcome the papa back home. Don't carry them, they're still 1 day old.
Wait. I forgot. Put this right over
So guys, balik na natin siya.
here. Because the mama will get angry. Because the mama will get angry. Because the mama will get angry.
Yeah. And Papa's flyer. Still waiting. Eat the bread.
Guys, when you're in our house, you have to know what's the letter of the code. Somebody loves, it's my mama loves someone else. You don't know, comments down below.
Your mama loves someone else?
Yeah,
Who?
Kuya Sark.
Kuya Shark? Oh, who's that? You go here.
Guys, you're in Among Us. Play this game. When you want to see me, when you see that name, that's not my name. I just turn to that name. When you see like green or black or white, which one you want to press, which Among Us, and then press something like that. So guys, when you see like a purple or red or green, you have to find it. So I'll pick this one because I like the set, because I have the set. So guys, when you be in the imposter, when I'm not imposter, you have to kill someone and go to the vent, and then you can go out the vent, and then you can report the body. So guys, you see? Oh, there are 2 imposters. Okay.
You want to stream ba, Zane?
Oh.
Ang lakas ng hangin pa kontra.
No.
So ayun na nga guys. Habang pa rin kami dito ni Zane. Si Zane ay
dead body.
naglalaro. What, you win?
No, I want to be this one.
Want to be the red guy?
Yeah, what's the name?
Red. Imposter.
Red imposter? I mean, who would that be on the name before? Kappa?
Lazy dress.
Lazy dress? This one? No, I mean, what was the name?
Wait. It's not that. But it's the papa na eh.
Papa, what's his name in Among Us?
Player.
Player?
Yeah.
And the other one was Cheese, and the other one was... I forgot.
Yeah.
Guys, remember Milk Megs? Hurry
Ayan.
up! Hurry up! I want to play the game! I just dance.
So, guys,
dance.
may mga dumadaan na naman. Sana kasama na si Papa Pigeon.
Guys, when you want to play this game, use App Store or Google.
Google Play.
Yeah, Google. You want to download more, just skip it because that's too many games.
You're promoting games eh.
Oh,
Promote
true.
our channel.
Yeah.
Say, oh, it's Papa's here. Oh. No? I thought it's the Papa Pigeon. Let's wait. I thought it's Papa Pigeon na. I think he's coming na. Guys,
Wait, what's my...
oh, don't get the big ones ha. Just the baby.
I was getting the baby. I was getting the baby. You see that? That's the baby.
Yeah.
I was getting her. Why is the man? Gotcha. Gotcha! Guys, I got them. I got him. Ow. Papa, I got the big one or the small one?
Small one.
How you know? Oh wait, his eyes are almost red, Papa. Papa, look, his eyes are almost red. Wait, move your head, please. Please move. What please move your head? Give me, I'll put him back in. I go here. Papa, why we have to put cuckoos in cages? Because so the cats can't get them. Guys, I'll let you fly. Guys, I'll magic you to fly. Guys, I will magic you to fly. Not.
So guys, it's 11:19.
Switch.
Oh, look at the time. Did they see the time?
Mm-hmm.
No, they
11:19.
You can see the time. Eh? Hold this. I think Papa's coming na. He should arrive na shortly.
Scan. Scan.
Give me.
Okay. Let's do it. I'll do that one. Please stop doing anything. Don't press it. Guys, don't press the emergency button. Oh, there. Don't vote, okay, guys? When I see flowers.
Don't let him out, ah. Did he peck you? Flyer peck your hand?
Fly some food.
Later.
I'm so ready. I need everything. I'm
like
so
fun?
stressful. Yeah.
You saw what?
Sweaty.
There's a wind naman, ah. You feel the wind so strong?
It's just a little.
Yeah. So guys, wala na.
So guys,
Hindi natin
this
kinaya ang
is
powers
not even
ng
a shirt. These are pajamas. When you want this, you can order it on Lazada or Shopee or somewhere else.
So guys, di natin
This is
inabot.
blood.
Ang
This is
toming eh.
totally blood.
So guys, di natin inabot yung or hindi kinaya ng powers natin yung invitational na speed ay 900 plus.
Wait, I saw something. It's so speedy.
So
A
hintayin na
bird?
lang natin
But
yung
that's a bird. He's
ibon.
not so speedy.
Yeah. Ilan lang yata sila sa invitational? 6 ang pumasok. So congrats boundary. So guys, abang-abang pa kami at ikaklak na lang natin siya.
No.
So guys, cut off na tayo.
Ow.
Playing. Update ko kayo mamaya pagdating ni Blue Ball.
No.
Because
Guys, I'm not even playing.
your
I
mama's
am
calling na. We're going to eat lunch na. Okay guys, we'll be right back. So guys, sana hindi na serga or na disgrasya. Update ko kayo mamaya.
A few moments later.
So guys, baka abutan ng ulan si Papa Flyer. Sana umuwi na siya.
The next day.
So guys, mating na si Papa Flyer. Oras natin ay 7:12. So, marami siyang putik. Kita niyo naman sa paa. Mukhang pinapusyat talaga siya at tumukod. Kailangan natin siya i-flashing guys. Dahil baka kung ano na inom niya. Tapos, meron na siyang inakay ngayon, mapasa niya doon. Pero ang pagkatalo niya ay dahil sa amo, hindi siya na training ng sunod-sunod. Pero ihanda natin siya itong darating na derby. Pinapos lang siya kahapon, pero baka nagpahinga. Kasi buhay kayo umaga eh. So yun lang guys, ipa-flashing natin siya para hindi siya pagpasa doon sa inakay niya ng kung ano man nainom. So yun lang update natin guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye nyo kami sa susunod na kabanata niya sa derby. I-prepare na natin siya na maayos. Yeah, you know, this is Papa's flyer. Yeah. This is the Papa flyer. He's back na this morning. So I'll show you this later. Okay. Thank you guys.